slide off of the suspension. Damn, you're gonna let him do that to you? You're gonna let him do that to you?
Oh shit.
Oh, a baseball! Alright, so before this video starts, I just want to remind everybody that if you're not subscribed, then make sure you guys subscribe. That way you'll be entered into my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, which I'll be giving away either a GoPro, AirPods, a PS4, or an Xbox. The winner gets to choose any one of those four, and I'll take care of shipping and buying it, obviously. So, you know, it's my way of giving back to you guys. But anyways, let's get right into this video. If you guys don't know by now, I had to get rid of my Evo for quite a while. We're having a garage being built at our house right now, so I wasn't able to keep it in here, so I took it to a parking garage downtown. And a lot of you have a misconception that something happened to it. No, nothing happened to it. The car's fine. It's just sitting in a parking garage right now, which Alex is actually gonna come pick me up. And yeah, we're gonna go downtown, link up with Rico once again, and pick up my Evo. So see you guys there. So Alex just texted me saying he's outside. Gotta make sure I got everything. I'm gonna be shipping this out with Rico. Let's see, what else do I need? I got my phone. I need my keys. My keys. Charger. Where are my keys? Can't find my keys. I always lose my keys or my wallet. Either my keys or my wallet are always gone. Evo key. Rico has the Evo key. Keys. Underwear. Yep, I'm wearing underwear. What else? What else? What else? Keys, wallet, phone, dinghy. I think that's about it. Alright, so Alex is waiting for us outside. Let's go. Huh? That foo-foo ass car. Hey, we're gonna go pick it up. Where are you going? Alex. Oh shit. Uber. No, I felt like the whole car was just gonna slide off of the suspension. Holy shit. This car's just gonna fall apart right now.
Then he got them pancake cheeks.
Easy there, waterfall tits. Oh, look, it's Rico. Thank you, sir. We're late? We're always late. Hey, dude, I gotta ship this out. Hey man, I think we're gonna exceed the weight. 2,500 pounds? Goddamn, George, you're 2,500 pounds alone.
Shit.
Alright, we got, okay, 230, 240,
No.
220, 210.
I went at 207.
I weighed myself at 195 the other day.
Do you guys think he's 195? Do you really think he's at 195?
207.
He weighs more than me.
How much are you?
207.
207?
I don't want to get it.
Oh yeah. Oh yup. Say it, Alex. Oh my god, what the hell happened to yours? Oh my god. I gotta check it out, guys. I'm back in the Evo. Oh, easy. So how are we doing this? For real? What about Magugu? Are you ready? Yeah? So just stay right behind you. Right behind you.
Alright, we're gonna be on your bumper.
Huh? Not stop. And not stop? What if I stop? Oh my god, this feels so weird. my god, did we just do that? Did we just
That's how you guys don't pay parking downtown.
A few moments later.
He's so fat. So you guys remember how I said I always lose my wallet? Well, I just fucking lost my wallet. God damn it. I think I did because it's not here. Which one? Where? Oh, why are you playing like that, dude? Come on, man. I'm over here sweating. I forgot to put deodorant. Oh, I got it.
You got it?
I got it. Enrico, I got it. I got it.
He thought he forgot his wallet in fucking store.
I thought I left it inside the store, but I got it. I got it, guys. We're good. Hey, did you fart? No? Oh, must have been you then, Robert. Trying to make it pop. I forgot how to make it pop. Okay. Yes. 911. I hear shots. What do they sound like? Oh, I should have scared the church people, right? Hi, Mom. Where'd you go, Alex? Did you have a full tank now? Huh?
He says
no,
he
where'd you go?
the pipe and he gets full tank again.
I'm gonna take the Lancer GTX around the block.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you? Hey, man. I didn't say you could beat on my car. How much does one of those go for?
Like 12 grand, it's just a regular baseball Lancer.
Damn, you're gonna let him do that to you? You're gonna let him do that to you?
Oh shit.
Oh, a base model! Go get the base model. You good, you good, you good. Hey man, get your boy. That's your boy. What's up, dude?
Hey yo, and I'm telling you, fuck.
Why?
I got 2 Lancers. They stopped making them in 6 and 15.
Yeah.
Kilos. I got this one, and then I got a silver one.
Oh really?
I got the rack on mine. Fucking blow under something, dude. Ripped my entire roof off. $4 grand worth of work.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Hey, I got a YouTube channel. Say hi to the channel.
What's going on, bro? What's your name?
Daniel Perez.
Daniel Perez?
Yep.
Alright, I got you. I've probably seen y'all riding around before.
For real, you're around here?
Yeah.
Really?
I deliver around here, but yeah.
Oh, snap. Yeah, we're always around here, dude.
Yeah.
Alright, take it in. Whoa, look who just showed up. Where are you going? Or where are you coming from?
From Woos.
Huh? Woos? What's that?
Ramen.
Oh, we saw you pass by in Pulaski.
I know the couple's pulling up on you guys, huh?
On us?
Yeah.
No, wait, which one?
There's a cop that pulled into the
Bank?
Yeah.
Was that you that
passed by?
He said a bank. A cop
probably.
pulled into the bank.
Yeah, the cop pulled up into the bank, and Chico was like, "Bro, there's like 5 emails right there." Sir, what's up?
Woo! Smells like huevo podrido.
I need that.
Hey, dude, is this your car?
Yeah.
Is this your car?
Nah, rentado.
Oh, you rented it? Yeah, that's right, guys. You can rent out my Evo for $499 per day. Right?
Hey.
Yeah, man, you're paid. Hey man, stop talking shit about my dad.
Hey, it didn't come out in the pictures, so I did a good job.
That's true, huh?
That's his favorite subject.
No, it's because every
What?
time I take a rolling shot, he
Thanks.
complains about it. He's like, no, mejor a ver otro, en uno que no se vea.
Ah, Mr. Hey man, make sure you Photoshop my license plate on.
Sí, güey. Se ve feo. Well, mine's tied on the middle, dude. Yours is at least on the fucking mesh. I don't even have mesh.
I know.
Mine looks ugly as fuck when I take pictures of it.
Alright, over here. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this kind of welcome back cruise for the Evo. Nothing was wrong with it. I don't know why you guys thought something was wrong with it. Maybe you guys didn't listen to my other video. I don't know, but smash that subscribe button, leave a like, comment. You guys know what to do. I'll see you next video.